This is Edwin Kwan from Sydney, Australia. Malicious Python packages designed to steal information from developers' systems have been recently discovered by Fortinet. The packages were uploaded to the Python package index between January 7 and 12 this year by an author named Lolipop. The names of the malicious packages are colorslib, httpslib, and libhttps. All these have been reported and removed from the Python package index. The index is the most widely used repository for Python packages, and unfortunately, they have experienced a surge in malicious software being uploaded. The index doesn't have the resources to scrutinize all package uploads and relies heavily on user reports to find and remove them. Often, by the time they are reported, those packages have had several hundreds of downloads. This is an important reminder to not be blindly trusting packages that are downloaded from the internet. We need to do our own due diligence to verify that the contents is safe and trustworthy.
Listen to today's entire episode of It's 505 on your favorite podcast platform.